movement here, the round and the dap of this knee here. So you can get really nice and break his grip. Don't step on the guy unless the guy is coming too close to you to scratch. But what you want to do is get your foot really behind his tricep, get your hand touching your thighs here, and if you open a little space like that, his hand is going to go on top of your hands. And if that happens, I lose the control. So my fight here is to keep my hand this way. Okay, don't forget that. Now when he pull one arm, pull one arm. See, I spin with it. Now go, pull the other one. Okay, in these times, it's good to step when he's moving. But you have to go slow and with the flow. And then the sweep, when you set up, you go sideways. It's just like the scissor legs here. If you're straight, it's harder to turn. I have no leverage. My leverage is good up this way. Now it's good this way. Why? Mechanics of my leg, yes. Now the same thing is with this. I can't do the sweep here. It's here. And the same thing with the foot and the bicep. It's not here. It's here. So that's what I want to add.